Very good morning, dear students. So once again, welcome to the online class. In our previous lecture, we discussed about the introduction of regression analysis. So regression analysis is a technique through which we calculate unknown variable from the known variable. Or you can also say that we can calculate the dependent variable from the uh, independent variable. So if one variable is given, and through that particular variable, if you have to calculate the unknown variable, then using regression technique you can calculate or you can bring out. Okay, so in my last class also I told you that the dependent variable can be calculated through the two equations that is called regression lines. Okay, so we will be continuing with regression lines. So regression lines, see, you can see. So regression lines ma chai मैले के भनेको थिएँ भने in last class मा चाहिँ के भन्दै just I gave you two random example like if you have to calculate x with the given y, then what you have to do is just you have to write x is equal to 2y minus 3 like that. Okay, if you have to calculate y using the variable given variable y, then you have to write what, x is equal to 3y plus 2 like that. Likewise, if you have to calculate the y using x variable, then simply what you have to do, you have to write what, you have to find y is equal to 5x plus 3. So if x is given, then just put the value of x, then you can simply calculate the value of y. Okay, so that is just an example. Now we will continue with regression lines today. So regression lines, basically we have got two regression lines. Okay, regression lines of y on x. Okay, if you have to calculate y for the given x, then this is the regression line. Okay, actual formula is this. Okay, that is y minus y bar is equal to byx in bracket x minus x bar. Okay, so y minus y bar is equal to mean, then byx is called as regression coefficient of y on x. Okay, this is byx is equal to what, regression coefficient of y on x. Okay, then we have got another regression line that is called regression line of x on y. So you have to find out x using the given value of y. Then the regression line is x minus x bar is equal to bxy in bracket y minus y bar, whereas bxy is what, regression coefficient of x on y. Okay, so you need x bar, you have to calculate x bar, you have to calculate y bar, x bar, you have to calculate byx here. Okay, so how are you going to find byx? Byx is equal to n summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y divided by n summation of x square minus summation of x whole square. Okay, then this coefficient bxy is equal to n summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y divided by n summation of y square minus summation of y whole square. Okay, so here this x is independent variable because x is given. Okay, now y is dependent variable. Y is dependent upon x. If x is given, you have to find y, then y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. Okay, so this particular formula, it is used to calculate y for given x. Okay, then here also byx is equal to this formula where x is dependent variable. Here you have to find x and y is independent variable. Okay, so this particular formula is used to calculate y with the given x. Hope you understood this. Okay, by using these regression equations, now we will be calculating what, regression lines now, and we will be finding regression or known variable, unknown variable from the given known variable. Okay, let us do it. So let us solve one question. Question is like this: find both regression lines x on y and y on x from the following information. Okay, n x and y. So two variables are given. From this particular information, you have to find two regression equations, that is x on y and y on x. Okay, we know that two regression equation x on y formula, that is regression equation x on y is equal to x minus x bar is equal to bxy in bracket y minus y bar. Okay, and the next one is regression equation y on x is equal to y minus y bar is equal to byx in bracket x minus x bar. Okay, then what you have to find is just regression lines. So these are the regression lines. When you solve these regression lines, you will be getting two regression lines. Okay, now के चाहिन्छ यसमा हेर्नुपर्छ x minus x bar, you need x bar. Okay, from these two information you have to find x bar, then y bar, then you need to find bxy. Okay, so x bar is equal to what? X bar is equal to what? And y bar is equal to what? You have to find x bar. You know that x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. Okay, and y bar is equal to summation of y divided by n. So this can be solved using the table. So I have written calculation of regression lines here. Okay, you just copy x value and y value here, x value and y value. Okay, then when you total x, it will be 30. When you total y, it will be 40. Okay, so x bar is equal to summation of x is 40, 30 divided by total is 5. So it will be 6. Likewise, summation of y bar is equal to summation of y divided n. So summation of y is 40 divided by total number is 5 is equal to 8. Okay, so we found mean x and mean y bar, x bar and y bar. Okay, now you need what? bxy. Bxy is equal to what? This is n summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by n summation of y square and minus summation of y whole square. So you need this all figures. So we will be calculating all these things. First we have calculated x square, then y square. Simply you just square value of x, simply you just square value of y. In that way you can find x square value and y square value. Then you again need x and y, so simply multiply x and y. 6, 9, 54, 2, 11, 22 like this, and you just total it. Okay, after totaling it, you will be getting these total values. Okay, now you can easily find out bxy. Bxy is equal to n is 5. Okay, total is 5. Summation of xy is equal to 214. So in bracket we have written 214 minus summation of x is 30, summation of y is 40. Okay, in that way divided by n is 5, summation of y square is 340. Okay, minus summation of y square whole square, summation of y is 40 whole square. Okay, this is 40 whole square. So in that way, when you got all these things, it will be simply bxy is equal to minus okay 1.3 minus 1.3 is your bxy. Okay, you can do at home this one. Okay, now see another equation, regression equation y on x is equal to y minus y bar is equal to byx in bracket x minus x bar. होइन, so हामीले x bar र y bar already पाएको छ. Okay, x bar and y bar पाएको छ. You need byx. So what is the formula? byx is equal to n summation of xy minus x summation of x summation of y divided by n summation x square minus this thing summation of x whole square. Okay, so n is equal to 5, summation xy is equal to 214. See, 214 minus summation of x is 30, summation of y is 40 divided by n is 5. In bracket summation of x square is 220 minus summation of x whole square is 30 whole square. Okay, so when you got all these things, it will be byx is equal to minus 0.65 minus 0.65. Okay, so you got this value byx, you got bxy, okay, you got x bar, you got y bar. Okay, now you can easily find regression equation on regression equation x on y and regression equation y on x. Okay, regression equation x and on y and regression. Now I am erasing this part. Okay, you got the value bxy is equal to minus 1.3. Okay, now अब यो कुराहरु हामी सल्भ गर्छौं. Okay, so see summation the regression equation x on y निकाल्छौं. So x minus what is the value of x bar 6. Okay, is equal to what is the value of bxy? Bxy is equal to minus 1.3. Okay, in bracket y minus y bar is 8. Got it? Now you can write like this. Okay, now x minus 6 is equal to, okay, minus 1.3 y, you multiply inside, minus 1.3 y minus minus plus 1.3 into 8. Okay, 1.3 into 8. Now यसलाई के गर्न सकिन्छ हामीले, x minus 6 is equal to minus 1.3 y plus, okay, multiply this thing 1.3 into 8 is equal to 10.4. Okay, 10.4. Now x is equal to minus 1.3 y, okay, plus 10.4. You minus 6 लाई उता लाँदा plus 6. Okay, plus 6. So x is equal to minus 1.3 y plus 16.4 is the answer. 16.4, I think. 16. You can check also by yourself. So this is the equation. Okay, this is the regression equation of x on y. Okay, regression equation of x on y. Now in the same way we can find now regression equation y on x. Okay, so you got the value of this thing, you can erase now this. Okay, the ठाउँ सानो छ र मैले erase गर्दै गरेको ल. So y minus what is the y bar is 8 is equal to byx is equal to minus 0.65 x minus x bar is 8. No, so 6. Okay, so y minus 8 is equal to minus 0.65, okay, into x. This one is x. Okay, x minus plus 0.65 into 6. So it will be how much? Y minus 8 is equal to 0.65 x plus, okay, plus, when you multiply 0.65 into 6, it will be 3.9. Now y राखेर यसलाई उता लान सक्छ 0.65x plus 3.9 minus plus 8. Okay, so plus 8 is equal to 11.9. So y is equal to 0.65x plus you total 11.9. So this is the regression line of y on x. Okay, your question was simply you are asked to find regression lines. Okay, regression lines of x on y and y on x. Okay, यसमा चाहिँ त्यसो गरेको छ. Now we solved it. Okay, we have already solved it. Okay, यसमा अब तिमीहरुलाई दिन सक्छ after this, if the value of x is this, then what is the value of y? Or if the value of y is this, and then what is the value of y? You can simply put value of x, you can get the value of y. Okay, here also you can simply put the value of y if given. Then if they ask you to find value of x, and simply put value of y. Here you can simply put value of x. In that way you can get value of y, and you can get value of x. So in this way you can solve regression lines. Okay, and you can also find what value of unknown variables from known variable. Okay, you can say dependent variable from independent variable. Thank you very much.